Amway Central Video Guide. Download the Amway Central Malaysia app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Log in with your credentials. To receive notifications directly on your device, go to your device's setting and turn on notifications from Amway Central Malaysia. Set your preferences in the Settings tab. Just click on the menu and scroll down to Settings. Select your preferred language. Keep yourself logged in at all times by turning on the Logged In button. To access your ABO or APC e-card, click on the My Profile icon. Show your e-card when shopping at any Amway shop. Check out the latest promotions in the Promotions tab. Click on Promotion to know more details. Keep yourself updated with the latest events in the Calendar tab. The blue dots show the events, while the red dots show the promotions. Click on the selected date to view the events and promotions that are happening on that day. To view more details, click on the tab at the bottom. View the wide range of apps and websites that we've got for you in the Resources tab. To read the latest articles, go to the Latest tab. Or go to Menu and choose the articles that you would like to read by category. To view the latest product catalogue, price list or business manual, click on Business Tools. You can also use the Switch, Share, Duplicate SSD app in the Business Tools section. The SSD app helps you to easily calculate how much PV and income you can earn via the Amway business. Discover our customers and ABO's most loved products with the Customer Favorites e-brochure and articles. Want to read up on inspiring stories of our diamonds and above? Click on the Hall of Fame tab. Need to check on your latest PV, BV or order status? Click on Customer Support and start chatting with Ada. So, what are you waiting for? Download and start exploring all the exciting features in Amway Central Malaysia today.